Welcome to Foxy Drone Adventures. Today we're visiting one of the North East's most recognizable landmarks, the magnificent Penshaw Monument. Standing proudly on Penshaw Hill, this iconic structure can be seen 4 miles and has become a symbol of the region's rich history and heritage. Built between 1844 and 1845, the monument was created in memory of John George Lambton, the first Earl of Durham. He was an influential politician and statesman, remembered for helping shape modern Canada through the Durham Report. Although it's often called a monument, its design is actually inspired by the ancient temple of Hephaestus in Athens, giving it its distinctive Greek appearance. From above, you can really appreciate its impressive position, overlooking the surrounding countryside. On a clear day, the views stretch across Sunderland, Durham, and the River Wear, making it one of the best viewpoints in the northeast. Penshaw Monument is a favorite destination for walkers, photographers, and drone enthusiasts alike. The winding paths leading to the summit are well worth the climb, and every season offers a different perspective. Whether it's the fresh greens of spring, the golden colors of autumn, or a dramatic winter sunrise, there's always something special to capture here. As the drone circles the monument, you can truly appreciate the scale of this historic landmark against the rolling landscape. It's a reminder of the Northeast's proud industrial past and the people who helped shape its future. I hope you've enjoyed these aerial views of Penshaw Monument. If you did, please give the video a like, subscribe to Foxy Drone Adventures, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future drone adventures from across the UK. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.